water. Tell me all the things. What's this down here?
This one, crocodile.
A crocodile? There's a crocodile living in the sea? Whoa, I never saw a crocodile in the sea. Wow, and what's up here?
This Bible.
Again?
Bible.
Bible. What's that in English?
Türkçe söyleyeyim. Yapardığı İngilizcesi.
He is brushing his teeth. It's a toothbrush. No.
Fish.
Oh, it's the fish.
Derin şu
Oh, okay. It's the fish. Super. And what's down here? This is the sky or the water? The water.